In today's art assignment, we're going to be talking about habitats and what they consist of and kind of what you think about. One thing, what do you think about when you think of habitats? I think of animals and I think of where they live, but habitats can be for humans too. Webster's definition of a habitat is 1. A place or environment where a plant or animal naturally or normally lives and grows. B. A typical place of residence of a person or a group. C. A housing for a controlled physical environment in which people can live under surrounding and hospitable conditions. Or 2. A place where something is commonly found. So in today's art assignment, we're going to talk about Andreas Leith and his double exposure animal habitat photos, or prints, or t-shirts. Andreas Leith is a 25-year-old engineering student in Norway. He has found an international audience with his work, most notably for his series Norwegian Woods, that takes images of animals and their landscapes and then makes them into double exposure, as you can see right now. He is taking animals and putting their habitats within them to create these beautiful art pieces that he sells at a reasonable price on prints, t-shirts, framed work, and other objects. His process for creating these images is taking 2 unique photographs and creating one piece of art. Most of his work is digital art, but he says that he likes to take watercolors sometimes before he creates these to get his brain juices flowing. Leigh's images reflect a deep appreciation for nature and the wildlife that inhabits the wilderness near his home. He is fortunate to live in a place surrounded by majestic mountains and wild spaces, which are undoubtedly an inexhaustible source of inspiration for him and his work. His unique images typically feature a single animal set in sharp contrast to the negative space that surrounds it, and filled with images of their natural habitats. Contained within these sharp shapes of the image, you'll find forest scenes, mountains, water, and other scenic vistas that are then blended seamlessly with the texture of the animal's fur and feathers, as you can see within these images that have been showing. He's also put himself in a mountainscape and blended them in seamlessly. Your art assignment to get you thinking about habitats is to take a picture of yourself and then take a separate picture of your habitat that you live in or work in or you play in, and then create a double exposure image where you are combining both of these images seamlessly. The video on the right is showing me doing an exemplar of this project. I've taken a picture of myself and also a picture that I have created that describes my teaching online. It has my grade book, the Blackboard platform, my coworkers, computers, my desk, and it has words that kind of help me understand what I do and why I teach and how I teach. And so these are getting mixed together and blended seamlessly into one image. So that's your art assignment for today, and I can't wait to see how you interpret your habitats and how we can push this forward into our computer art class and your upcoming assignment for this week.